Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Scotiabank error AUT002 how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. What does AUT002 mean? AUT002 is an authorization or security error. It usually happens when Scotiabank can verify your login device on session. So common reasons might be app session timeout, too many login attempts, VPN or private network, or outdated app. So to do it, first what you can do is simply head over to your app store, then on the search bar type in Scotiabank. Then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then next fix that you can use is simply restart your app. To do it, simply drag from the center to the middle to launch recent apps. Then what you need to do is simply close the Scotiabank app and then wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then reopen the app and sign in again. This fixes AUT002 most of the time. And next step that you can try is restart your phone. Simply power off your phone and wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on and open the app and try again, and this will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.